MzeroA Online Ground School, welcome back. It's day 27 of the 31-day Safer Pilot Challenge. Are you ready? MzeroA Nation, are you ready to dive into some of the safety features built right into your glass panel that every pilot should know? Now, these glass flight decks are powerful tools, but they only help us if we as pilots understand and use them with purpose. Let's look at a couple features that directly boost safety in the flight deck. First, the moving map with ADS-B traffic and weather. Think about it, with just the glance you know exactly where you're relative to terrain, airspaces, obstacles, and nearby traffic. Add weather overlays like radar, meters, and taps, and you suddenly got a complete picture to make safer, quicker decisions. This is the type of situational awareness we never had the same way with steam gauges. Next, hazard awareness tools such as terrain alerting, airspeed and altitude trend vectors, even envelope protection in some G1000s. These are all designed to warn you before small deviations become big problems. And don't overlook engine monitoring. Seeing cylinder temps, fuel flow, and pressures in real time means you can catch an abnormal trend before it turns into a real emergency. These features are there to support you, not replace you. You've got to train yourself to use the right level of automation for the workload. And just as important, you need a backup plan. What happens if the screen goes dark? Can you still navigate? Can you still communicate? Can you still hand fly precisely? That's why I want to emphasize, never let the glass flight deck take away your stick and rudder skills. Hand fly regularly, scan your instruments, and know you can fly the airplane safely even if every bell and whistle goes silent. So MzeroA Nation, here's your challenge for the day. Pick one feature, maybe terrain alerting, maybe engine monitoring, and really learn it. Sit down in the flight deck on the ground and practice finding it, interpreting, and using it. Build that muscle memory now so it's there when you need it most. Just remember, the glass panel can be an incredible safety tool, but only in the hands of a proficient pilot who uses it wisely. With that, can you believe we're 4 days away from our 31-day Safer Pilot Challenge livestream? Are you 27 for 27? If not, don't worry, you still have a couple days left to catch up. See you tomorrow.
Hey aviators, before you take off, don't forget you can try MzeroA Online Ground School completely free for 2 weeks. Jump in, explore the lessons, watch the videos, and take that virtual discovery flight and see exactly how our understanding-based teaching helps you master aviation, not just memorize it. And when you're ready to keep going, we've got options. Choose an individual course like private, instrument, commercial, or CFI FOI. Perfect if you're laser focused on your next certificate or rating. Or take things further with one of our curated Pilot Success memberships. Gold and Bronze gives you unlimited access to all of our manned courses, webinars, and bonus content designed to help you grow from a student to safe, confident pilot. Don't forget, we also now offer a membership tier specifically designed for those pilots who just want to stay up to date and have tools at their fingertips. Perks Pass. There's no courses, but still all things knowledge. So start your free 2-week trial today at MzeroA.com/trial and discover why thousands of pilots trust MzeroA to make aviation learning simple, effective, and fun. Because remember, a good pilot is always learning.